Now that you know the basics of the Bachelor of Science degree, let's examine your degree requirements. In order to graduate with your BSc Psychology degree, you must complete a minimum of 90 credits with an overall cumulative grade point average of a C or a 4.0. This translates to a 60 to 64% overall average. In addition, you need to achieve a minimum grade of a C in Psych 1010 in order to continue as a psychology major. This chart is a visual representation of the components of your degree. We will review this chart again later in the presentation. The main components of a BSc degree include general education requirements, basic science requirements, major requirements, science credits taken outside the major, additional credits or electives, and finally, your upper level requirements, which are displayed on the bottom right of the screen. Let's examine each of these components more carefully. The general education requirements for a BSc Psychology degree include a minimum of 18 credits as follows. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved humanities area. 6 credits at the 1000 level chosen from an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved social science area. And finally, 6 credits at the 1000 level in an approved Faculty of Health general education course or an approved humanities area or an approved social science area. To confirm if a course is approved for your general education requirement, visit the current student's website at currentstudents.yorku.ca. Under the heading Courses and Enrollment, click on Search for Courses. You can search for current courses by general education courses. On this page, you will need to select your session, your faculty, which is the Faculty of Health, and then your degree type, either a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science. Then click Search Courses. This page will show you all eligible general education courses that are being offered in the upcoming academic session. Using the column on the far right, you can determine which general education area the course satisfies. For example, the course displayed on the screen satisfies your humanities general education requirement. Further down, you will see courses that satisfy your social science requirement. And if you're in a Bachelor of Arts degree, all the way at the bottom, you will see courses approved for natural science. The next component of your degree is the basic science requirement, which is a minimum of 15 credits as follows. 6 credits in mathematics selected from Math 1505, Math for the Life and Social Sciences, Math 1013, Applied Calculus 1, Math 1014, Applied Calculus 2, or Math 1025, Applied Linear Algebra. Please note that Math 1505 is a 6-credit course, whereas the rest of the math courses on this list are each 3 credits. You will also need to complete 3 credits in computer science selected from Computer Science 1520, Computer Use Fundamentals, Computer Science 1540, Computer Use for the Natural Sciences, or Computer Science 1570, Introduction to Computing for Psychology. Please note that Computer Science 1570 is recommended for psychology majors. Since this course has Math 1505 as a prerequisite, students normally take this computer science course in their second year after completing math. You will also need to complete 6 credits in introductory sciences selected from Bio 1000, Biology 1, Bio 1001, Biology 2, Chem 1000, Chemical Structure, Chem 1001, Chemical Dynamics, or Physics 1010, Physics, Physics 1410, Physical Science, or Physics 1420, Physics with Applications to Life Sciences. Please note that all physics options are 6 credits, whereas the rest of the introductory science courses are 3 credits. Now that we've reviewed the general education and basic science requirements, let's talk about your major course requirements. Major courses refer to the credits that you need to complete in psychology. For a BSc degree, you will need to take at least 33 credits in psychology, which include the following courses. The first course that all psychology majors take is Psych 1010 Introduction to Psychology. You need to achieve a minimum grade of at least a C or higher in order to continue as a psychology major. This will be the only psychology course that you take in your first year. Required psychology courses at the 2000 level include Psych 2010 Writing in Psychology, Psych 2021 Statistical Methods 1 or Psych 2020 Statistical Methods 1 and 2, Psych 2030 Introduction to Research Methods. And to ensure you acquire some breadth in psychology, you must take courses from different areas in psychology. You will need to complete 3 credits from Group 1, the 2100 series, and you can choose from Psych 2110 Developmental Psychology, Psych 2120 Social Psychology, or Psych 2130 Personality. You also need to complete 3 credits from Group 2, the 2200 series, and you can choose from Psych 2220 Sensation and Perception 1, Psych 2230 Motivation, Psych 2240 Biological Basis of Behavior, or Psych 2260 Cognition. You must also complete at least 12 credits in psychology at the 3000 level or 3rd year level. The completion of these courses will total 33 credits and will ensure that you have a solid foundation in the study of psychology. Additional components of your degree include science credits outside the major, where you must complete a minimum of 9 science credits outside of psychology, of which 3 credits must be at the 2000 level or higher. To satisfy this requirement, you can choose any science course selected from the Faculty of Science, Lausanne School of Engineering, and all kinesiology courses excluding those listed in the academic calendar. You will also need to complete at least 15 additional credits or electives in order to reach an overall total of 90 credits for your degree. As discussed in the previous presentation, upper level credits are courses that undergraduate students generally take in their final year of studies. A Psychology BSc student is required to take 18 upper level credits, of which 12 credits must be in the major at the 3000 level. The last piece of information you need to know about your BSc degree are the graduation requirements. You must successfully complete a minimum of 90 credits and maintain an overall cumulative grade point average of a 4.0 or a C. Now let's take a look at what your overall degree will look like again. You will need to earn 90 credits overall in order to obtain your psychology degree, of which 18 are general education credits, 15 are basic science credits, 33 credits are in your major, psychology, 9 are science credits outside the major, and 15 are additional credits or electives. Of the 90 credits you need to graduate, 18 must be upper level credits or courses taken at the 3000 and 4000 level.